This is Craig Haugard with your Financial Issues Ag Update. Corn traded lower Friday and closed near the lows of the session. The September contract set a new life of contract low, and December touched its old contract low. The market was pushed lower by traders focusing on the prospects of a large crop this fall. The average trade estimates for this next USDA report has the corn yield at 180.4 bushels per acre, and that would put ending stocks at about 2.8 billion bushels for the 2021 crop year. In the overnight trade, we have spot futures bouncing back a little bit, trading a penny and a half higher as I record this. Soybeans seem to ignore the announcement of the sale of 456,000 metric tons of beans to China and pushed lower on Friday in spite of that news. In trading lower, the November contract broke through the 100-day moving average, which is currently at $8.6925. It's the first time it had done that since late June. As we head into the USDA report this week, the average trade estimate is that we'll have a soybean yield of 51.3 bushels per acre, which would put ending stocks at a projected 689 million bushels for the 2021 marketing year. In the overnight trade, we have spot futures trading down 2 cents as I record this. The wheat markets were lower straight across the board on Friday. Winter wheat markets are under pressure as we have good soil moisture in many areas, and the thought is that'll lead to higher planting intentions here in a few months. Spring wheat harvest is starting to pick up more, which is adding pressure to the Minneapolis market. In the overnight trade, we're kind of seeing a continuation of that, with Chicago and Kansas City each 2 cents lower, while Minneapolis is down a half cent. Cotton futures had been working higher in recent days, but that party came to a screeching halt on Friday when the December futures dropped 249 points to settle at 62.36. In the overnight trade, spot futures are down an additional 8 points. Livestock futures were split to end the week. We had the October live cattle futures 52.5 cents lower, while feeder cattle were weaker as well, with September finishing 75 cents lower. Lean hog futures, on the other hand, turned in a positive session, with the October futures closing $1.77.5 higher. Class 3 milk futures took a beating as we headed into the weekend, with the August futures down 45 points to settle at 19.36, and we're another 5 points lower in the overnight trade. Meat cutout values were all stronger on Friday. We had choice box beef 84 cents higher, closing at 205.47. Select boxes were 74 cents higher as they settled at 192.75. Pork carcass cutout values were up $1.13 as they ended the day at $71.93 per hundredweight. This has been Craig Haugard with your Financial Issues Ag Update. We'll be right back with more financial issues after this.